Manipurda cesarean section tawraga angang unabagi chang kiningai oina wanglamba ado khara makai hantarakle. Masi kharaga hena hantahanaba mari lainaba pumnamakna punna honaminasi haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. S. Ranjan na phungdorakle. Wafam ase National Health Mission NHM Manipur ge State Health Society SHS ki Maternal Health Division amade Directorate of Health Services Manipur na sinduna I pledge for 9 haina mingthonba award yenthokpagi thoram amada mahakna phungdokhibane Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matrivat Abhiyan PMSMA amade atai maternal health program singda achauba thogai lauriba sing amade state amade district level da lairiba health service provider singda award khutchinabagi thoram maduda maternal health ka mari leinaba poster amade maternal health ki matang ta puthokpa documentary ahumso launch tawkhe Chingmairongda leiba Classic Grande gi Imperial Hall da ngasi pangthokhiba thoram maduda Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Health and Family Welfare के Special Secretary Hungyo War Singh, Health Service के Director Dr. O Sana Hanbe अमदे अतई मसक नाइबा मियोय कयाना थौरम की मरु ओइबा मिथुंगलेन सिंह ओइना सरुक याखे थौरमगा मरी लैदना Minister Dr. S. Ranjan ना मखा ताना हाई Maternal Health चौखटलबा मतमदा सोसाइटी असि चौखटपा ओइगदौरिबने लम असिदा चौखटपा पुरक्थपा होनरिबा सिंहबो सखंगबा उत्पा ओइना NHM SHS Maternal Health Division के मनुंग चंदा ngasi pangthokliba thoram ase yamnamak maru oiba thoram amane Manipurda matam khara ki mamangda angang unaba matamda operation tawduna unabagi chang asi chada marifu manga yorakpagi tanja ama lakhe masibak lamdam masigi oina afaba khudam na taba amade maduna society da akaiba kaya lakada ba ubudage paliba lengaga sa mari lainaba department singa khutsamdaduna honarak panangasi di angang unabada operation tawbagi chang khara makai hanthaba ngamle adubu hanthare haiba asisu adumak wangna lairibna lamba sida lairiba gaini gi doctor singdagi hauraga khudingmak na punna honaduna kharage henna hanthahanba mathok tai masi honabada lamba sida thabak tawriba khudingmakna pukjal sengna amadi thawai henna yausena thabak punna tawminaba mathok tai haike ngasigi thoram maduda ching amadi tamgi lairiba district health center singi marakta kwaidagi thabak ningthina tawba center sing khangatuna mana mathum sing yenthokhi amade lanai oina lairiba doctor nurses pharmacist na chingba singdaso tongan tongan ba mana mathum kaya so yenthokhi
hidak piriba mayamse right up to PHC level of the hidak piriba mayamse even folic acid ke mayamto duga iron tablets or whatever ideal the piriba hidak periphery the yoriba mayamse so that it reaches the public. It's just a reminder. We have gone to places, CDC Yomuna, Betamkawayam Kanda, Haizabani, Duga, SMT, there was a program, even free diagnostics, through a PPP Mota, Kunata, Basingzi, Yam Toina, Haizabani, because Krishna diagnostics, not a see Manipuri winner, results, even quality assurance to quality, so that we give the people, the peripheral area, the free diagnostics, the result to achumba, accurate result. I think the CMOs also